Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, and we're kicking off today's show with a real game changer in the electric vehicle market. The big question on everyone's mind: are electric cars finally becoming as affordable and accessible as gas-powered vehicles? Well, the answer is yes, and it's not just one or two models that are making this happen. Let's dive into our top picks for electric SUVs that are breaking the $40,000 barrier. First up, we have the Hyundai Kona Electric, a Korean EV that's showing how things are done. With a starting price of under $40,000 and a range of nearly 350 miles, this compact crossover is giving traditional gas-powered vehicles a run for their money. Now, I know what you're thinking. How did Hyundai manage to keep the prices so low? Well, it's all about optimization. Small tweaks to the design and manufacturing process have made all the difference. And when it comes to electric vehicles, those small optimizations can add up quickly. Next, we have the Chevrolet Equinox Electric, which has been revamped with a new front-wheel drive setup and two trim levels that fit within our budget. The Equinox Electric offers an impressive range of 319 miles on the FWD model and 307 miles on the AWD setup, making it a top contender in this category. But what really sets these electric SUVs apart is their feature list. From advanced safety features to luxurious interior designs, these vehicles are packing more punch than their gas-powered counterparts. And with prices starting at under $40,000, they're becoming increasingly competitive. Now, I want to talk about the impact of small optimizations on electric vehicle costs. You see, traditional gas-powered cars don't follow a dollar-for-power formula like EVs do. Instead, these 10 EVs are demonstrating that even small tweaks can make a big difference in price. It's not just about the tech, it's about how manufacturers use resources to keep costs down. We're also seeing some unexpected trends emerge in the electric vehicle market. Take, for example, the role of Trump in sparking interest in EVs. Believe it or not, his policies are helping drive sales forward. And as the market continues to grow, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge. Finally, let's talk about luxury electric vehicles. The Hyundai Kona Electric may be a great choice for everyday driving, but what about those who want a little extra luxury in their lives? That's where our next contender comes in, an EV that's redefining the luxury segment and holding its own against some of the best gas-powered vehicles out there. That's all for today, folks. The electric vehicle market is changing fast, and it's clear that these affordable SUVs are here to stay. Stay tuned for more news and updates from the world of electric vehicles on Electro Drive News.